let me introduce the new SKL-20 Kipplauf rifle. It's a new model and replace the old SKL-19. The most important thing is the new locking system, the Jaeger system, that is you find in many of the Kipplauf in the market, but also very interesting is the locking barrel system. We have two pins coming out from the receiver, and they fit inside the monoblock in these two positions. This system is very, very good for accuracy. It improves accuracy of the rifle. Another interesting feature is the bigger and longer monoblock than it was previous, that assure a higher rigidity to the barrel assembly. One other interesting thing is that the forend never touches the barrel. That is a very important thing for the Kipplauf accuracy. As you can see, we have a system where the forend is fitted, and also the lacking of the forend is not on the barrel, but on this metallic part that is fitted on the monoblock. That for sure is the best way to give to the Kipplauf a very good accuracy. One interesting feature is the barrel. The rifling of this barrel is our multi-radial barrel that is a completely different system from the previous kind of rifling. This is a kind of semi-polygonal rifling that assures a very, very good accuracy to the barrel. On the barrel muzzle you find a thread, a European thread M14x1, on which you can feed, for example, a muzzle brake or whatever you like to fit on the barrel. You find also front side and rear side. The rear is completely adjustable to use the rifle without the scope. But in any case, on the monoblock you find in the European slide 11 millimeter on which you can put every kind of mount for scope. One important thing is that this rifle is fitted with a hand cooking system. This hand cooking system is completely new. It's very smooth, sweet, and easy to discharge this way. We study a particular system to give to the shooter the possibility to cook the rifle without noise. And the same thing for uncooking. The trigger is adjustable, but is a very, very good trigger. Low weight, 500 grams, and very net trigger, very easy to operate. The stock you see here, this is a European style stock, but is available also a striped classic stock that is most wanted in this day. This is more classic. The other one is more wanted because it's like most of the bolt action rifle stocks.